Welcome to room 2985. We are at the Cosmopolitan in the Boulevard Tower. First feature you're gonna find is this cool ambiance setting. We've got hello, bright lighting, love it. And then we've got when you leave, goodbye. You have a living room setup with a lovely couch of moderate comfort. You also have art, butt crack included, tiny butt crack, nail size butt crack. I like it because it has swanky furniture and a very large TV. I would say it seats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 comfortably. So you can entertain here. Also, a cool part of entertaining in this room is this bar. You have some room in something called a freezer, but it looks like you can control the temperature there, but then also paid mini bar stuff, you know, the usual. Here is some storage. Oh snap! They snuck in an extra fridge. So here you have an actual guest fridge that I did not explore before recording. So that would be good food storage because you have even more storage here. Before we move on to that, here is your executive desk, which is a very cool feature. And I love the design because it's narrow to expanded. How cool is that? Designer lighting. I just love the design of these rooms. Cosmo is on point. Also, love this wallpaper. How cool. You've got so much closet space. You have so many hangers. You have even 2 luggage racks. This is the safe. And you even get slippers. I love this bougie little area to get, your shoes on, all that stuff. You can also just throw clothes here if you need to get ready. We're gonna move on to the bedroom. Another swank feature. Check this out. Look at that. It opens and lights. And this lamp has 2 plugins and 2 USBs. So you can have multiple electronics. This door, should you have partying guests and you are tired and you want them to go away, they can go away somewhat. In a moment, I'm gonna step over to the bathroom, but for now, if you check out this, that actually goes to the bathroom. So the shower is on the other side of this. You can kind of see some shadows if someone's showering. Get a little view. TV here, pretty cool. Over here, we're talking about views of bathing, is the tub. We're gonna explore that in a minute, but just so you know, you can see it or you can have some privacy. We don't always wanna be voyeuristic, but sometimes we do. Then you have one of the best parts, lock, unlock. I don't know. That's locked.
Top.
Steven's very helpful. Thank you.
We'll get it in editing.
Okay. I knew this whole time how to do this.
Look at that. You opened it first try and everything.
I'm great, aren't I? And now, for Steven's favorite part of the room. This door slides open for the bathroom, which has a his and hers sink, which I like. It's very nice. It's got some drawers with a foldable hair dryer. Love it. Ooh, if we can see that on the bathroom. Nice sized toilet room with a weird light. I feel like the Cosmo is all about the details and they don't skimp. They also have lit mirrors and this booger mirror with lights. Check out all your boogers. And we have this to lead into the shower and tub area. I love this tile so much. I want it in my own house. And then you're going to step up into the double-seated Japanese soaking tub. And I think that covers it for the Cosmo Boulevard Tower, 1-bedroom studio with terrace view of the strip. I can see the sign for MGM.
Yeah, I think we might have been on a higher floor.
Ah,
I think the lower floors in this type of room are almost better because you can actually see out of the tub versus if you're really up high, you don't really see anything.
that's true. So in this, whatever section of the hotel we are, we can actually see the strip and the mountains. Pretty cool.
Yeah.